Hello guys, so today, binukas ko na yung hood. Laki ng hood guys, pero magaan to. So yung hood shock, so this is a 2025 4.4 V8 with the electric motor, 16 kilowatts, 717 horsepower, 1000 torque, and it's a plug-in hybrid guys. So this is the M5 Touring. So Touring meaning this is the wagon. So it has, you know what's shocking guys, for an M5, naka-Hankook tire siya, stock. And the size of it is 285/40, so very wide tires. Pretty thick tires, ceramic brakes, cross-drilled rotors. Ayun guys, so ito 16 kilowatt battery, 11 kilowatt AC charging. Good for around, I think, 65 kilometers of EV range. So green plate siya guys. No coding, di ba? So, and maganda yung color guys. It's a matte gray color. Yan, wagon. So practical siya. So pag binukas mo yung likod, power tailgate, maluwag Very, very, parang siyang crossover yung size. So pwede for families. Tapos dito, you could fold the seats of course. Tapos meron din tayong 12 volt. And of course, tools. Kasi walang spare tire ang mga plug-ins or EVs. Ayan, hybrid. Alan, just blur the plate please. Yeah, hybrid. So practical na rin, no coding. So let's close it. So you got your reflectors here, your diffuser with quad exhaust. Ang ganda ng tunog niyan. So let's continue the vlog inside. Okay guys, now that we're in the car, so it has hybrid mode, dynamic plus, dynamic electric if your battery is full. In this case, the battery is not. So then e-control also. So you can, I guess you can control when you could charge the 16 kilowatt battery. So ano lang, napansin ko, of course, this being a M5 Touring, you could feel that the suspension is really sporty. Kumbaga, it's on the stiff side of things. Not super uncomfortable. Okay guys, while it's traffic, let's talk about the car. So this car guys, like I said, 717 horsepower, 1000 torque, plug-in hybrid, good for 67 kilometers of EV range. So, pero realistically, siguro mga 50 kilometers lang to baka of EV range. But it's really designed as the battery will give more power instead of it being efficient. Because, of course, this is a performance wagon Touring, all-wheel drive, 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds, so it's really quick for such a heavy, big wagon. Practical, diba? Daming space, you know, full of tech, diba? May plug-in mode, may EV mode. Top speed is 305 kilometers guys. So tinanggal nila yung speed limiter of 250, naging 305 kilometers. So this car it's scary fast, especially kapag hindi ka sanay mag-press throttle. It's more of, you know, it's more, you have to modulate kasi nga ang lakas ng power nito talaga. 1000 torque guys, grabe. Okay guys, now we're in the parking and it's dry kasi ulan ng ulan. Ang hirap mag-video guys pag umulan. Anyway, I love the speakers. Very nice and clear for the people who love speakers, really nice speakers in a car. This one has it. It's nice illuminated M5. Performance seats. Even though guys, performance seats, it's still comfortable. I like it kasi it hugs you. Nasanay na ako because the Tesla Performance also has these kind of seats, but I think this one's a little bit on the, how do you call it, more sportier side, kumbaga. But it's very nice, two-tone, so it's like a white and black finish. And of course, you got your ambient lighting, diba? You got your ADAS, blind spot monitoring, everything that you need. The big screen here for the gauge cluster, all the way here for your headlights. Even the trim, carbon fiber interior, diba? Tingnan natin, guys. And ganda talaga, matte gray is so nice in this car. You can hear that 4.4 V8. And guys, so headlights, of course your xenon headlights, and I love the grille. Actually, it's nice. Kala ko baduy, guys, but ang ganda ka actually. Ganda. Then I love also the illuminated handles. So pag gabi, kitang-kita mo, hindi siya mahirap, hanapin, especially for seniors. So at the back, two-tone finish, of course. Of course, you got your cup holders, standard. Bowers and Wilkins. Also illuminates at night. Really nice touch. Very subtle. And of course, being a touring, diba? Paminsan, maybe your driver's gonna use it. You got your blind, sunshades. Your sunshades for both. Being a wagon, diba? Tapos yan yung ilaw. And of course, there's a screen for your aircon controls. But this has heater, which is kind of funny. Dapat cooling yan, pero okay lang. So you can control your temperature for the aircon, so the vents. Still nice, it's still manual. Very comfortable. Like I said, performance seats, kita mo from the back. So you could appreciate the interior more. Some people, of course, would like, we're in the day and age, guys. This is being an M5 plug-in hybrid na. Imagine M5 na plug-in hybrid. Dati V10, nalala ko yung E60 that I sold before, guys. That was a V10, naturally aspirated. I think, yeah, naturally aspirated V10. Such a nice car too. But this being a 4.4 V8, like I said, 717 horsepower. I repeat, 717 is crazy for a wagon na dapat, diba, practical. Pero this is not a practical wagon, of course. This is a performance wagon. Of course, you got your lighting for your feet. Para kita mo. Pasensya na yung chinelos ko, guys. Tapos you got your chargers here at the back. Diba, your one-touch windows. Diba? Let's get that at the back. There's nothing really at the back, guys. It's really at the front. You're supposed to be driving this car. Diba? Love the rims. Reminds me of I forgot this rim style, but I've seen this in some cars, I think. Some M cars. Like I said, carbon fiber side mirrors. Let's off the engine first. But like I said, ganda ng ilaw. Guwapo. Here guys, so for infotainment, I like this illuminated cup holders. Of course, you got your glove box here, standard, nothing special there. Of course, all the buttons. So you got your park, your auto hold, reverse, your sport mode, your drive mode, your neutral, which you don't need, media, telephone nav, and yung navigation. If you press it, lalaki yung screen. So then you could of course adjust your modes, diba? Pwede ka mag hybrid traction control, you could take that off. Tapos yung of course yung camera 360, like here sa condo, you could press the camera just to make sure na hindi mo tatamaan. Kasi guys, sa condo, I notice sa condo maraming tumatama sa corners, hindi sila nag-iingat. You just have to be very careful. Yun lang. Yun. So let's remove that. Then the M hybrid mode, you got your dynamic plus, dynamic hybrid electric e-control. Of course, your aircon buttons here. So it's nice, at least meron pang buttons, oh. Even here, oh. You got your rear defogger, front defogger, diba? And everything else. So it's nice that may buttons pa. Hindi siya completely screen lang. Diba? Then of course your auto headlights, your rear fog, your gas release. It's funny, no? Meron siyang if you press it, siguro to unlock it. Saan ba yung gas nito? Sa kabila ito. Kasi front yung, yeah, that's the gas. Yep, there you go. Gasoline, which this car will need a lot of gas kasi nga it's a 4.4 V8. Talagang kailangan ng gas to. And this is the right color. There's also like parang a green goblin color. There's blue, of course, I think white, black, like a how do you call this? Like a, like a shiny black color. This is a matte gray here. It's very, very stealth. Bagay na bagay with this car. Diba? Ayan, no? Para sa city, guys, magtitipid kayo. Kung ayaw mo mag-gas, you don't want to use the engine, just plug it in. Good for 67 kilometers. I think that's okay, I guess, for a performance wagon. Got your M5 sticker here. And yeah, very spacious, guys. It's like a crossover in terms of size. So this is my driving position. Siguro hindi naman crossover. Siguro like a good size compact crossover in terms of leg space. But you have a lot of head space. You got your glass roof here. May shade yan, guys. Binukas ko lang, pero may shade yan, which is good. Yeah. Very, very nice to drive. You just have to be very, very careful when driving this car. Because it has so much torque, guys. 1,000 torque. NM torque. Grabe. Nakakatakot actually. You're gonna, talaga. The car is gonna launch pag ganun. Parang every time you press it, pag ganun siya. Anyway, this is the 2025 BMW M5 Touring X-Drive all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid. And it's for sale, guys. So just message me. Brand new was 12.790 and the mileage is a little over 3,000 kilometers and selling it at 10.5. So 10.5 million. From 12,790 million, 10.5 na lang. So malaki rin ang depreciation, diba? For over 2 million pesos in the span of a year. And yeah, that's a good deal, guys, for this car. It's expensive, but you're buying an M5 Touring, diba? And I think the M5 Touring looks better than the sedan. There's also a sedan, same price. I just haven't seen also a lot. There's not a lot on the road. I think there's only a couple of units that they sold. So yeah, green plate, no coding. So that's the vlog, guys, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care. Bye.